Hey guys, it's Kristin. So today I'm starting a mini series. As you may have noticed, if you are subscribed to me, I haven't really been uploading a ton, and that's just because my time has been very limited with how many freaking projects I have. So I'm doing a mini series of how-tos that are gonna be like 3 minutes or less. Sometimes they'll only be 60 seconds, but today is gonna be the first one. Saw something on TikTok that blew my mind, and I was kind of surprised that I didn't already know this, but you know when you get these stamps and they start running out of ink, you just buy another one because they're fairly cheap. Well, you can change, there's like 2 pads in here in one that you just flip it. I had no idea. Do you know how many of these things I've thrown out? So let me show you how to get the second pad and flip it around. All right, so let's do a before. So you can see it's not really showing up that much and it's really light. So here's our little ink. What we're gonna be using is this little square here and the red buttons. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this down like halfway and squeeze on both sides to lock this in place. Now, once you have that locked in place, you can see this one's covered a little bit and this one's fully open. So you're gonna go to the side where it's slightly covered and you're just gonna push on it, and look, it pops out the other side. Isn't that crazy? Look, there's 2 pads. Now this side I have, I've already done this once in another video, so that's why you can see like some indentations, but normally that would be blank. So all you're gonna do is, it was this way, we're just gonna rotate it, put it in again, snap that in, you're gonna squeeze this, and now you have fresh ink. All right, so let's do our after. You can see it looks way better, there's way more color to it, so it does extend the life of your stamp. Now the other thing you can do is buy some of this ink which refills it as well, and this is available on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. So pretty much what you do is have the side that's dry facing up and then just put a few drops along like this. Okay, just make sure the whole area is covered. Now it should absorb it. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds, other times you can see how quickly because it's so dry. So this is definitely taking a lot of ink. So we're gonna just keep going. I'm gonna do it a couple of times until it doesn't absorb so quickly, I guess, you know. This doesn't always work though, because I did have another ink pad that the liquid just sat on top of it, and that means the sponge is kind of bad, so then you might not be able to refill it. But this one is working really good. Look how quick it absorbed it. Now, one quick note is I'm pretty sure this only works on these like Excel mark ones. I get these from Amazon or Vistaprint. I don't know if it really works on other ones besides like this kind. So if it does, definitely comment that below for other people in case they are curious. But that's it for today's video. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you are alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you guys later.